Good day po sa lahat. So, ngayon, tatalakayin naman natin kung paano natin i-convert ang metric and English unit of measurement. So, paano natin i-convert yung metric to English and English to metric and vice versa. So, methods of conversion. So, dito sa table na to, makikita natin sa left side yung metric system and sa right side naman yung English system. So, sa metric, in 1 meter is equivalent to 39.37 inches. So, 1 meter also in feet is 3.28083 feet. Number 2, for metric system, 0.3048 meter is equivalent to 1 foot. And 1 centimeter is equivalent to 0.3937 inch. And 2.54 centimeters is equivalent to 1 inch. And 1 millimeter equivalent to 0.03937 inch. And 1 kilometer is 1,903.61 yards. So, ito yung mga sample lamang sa mga methods or pamamaraan on how to convert the metric to English. Ito na tayo sa simple guide to conversion from inch to meter or vice versa. So, to convert meter to feet, we're going to divide or divide lang natin by 0.30. So, for example, we have 6 meters. So, i-divide lang natin ito into 0.30 or 0.30. So, ang magiging result niya is 20 feet. For number 2, to convert feet to meter, i-multiply lang natin ito by 0.30. So, example. So, meron tayong 30 feet. So, multiply lang natin into 0.30. Yung total niya, ang result niya is 9 meters. So, another example. The length of the rectangle is 5 feet. So, multiply lang natin ito by 0.30. So, 5 feet times 0.30 is equivalent to 1.524 meters. So, another example naman is the width of the rectangle is 3 feet. Multiply this into 0.30. So, 3 feet multiplied into 0.30, the result is 0.9144 meters. So, another is to convert inches to meters. So, we're going to follow the conversion table below. So, English to metric. So, 1 inch we have 0.025 meter, and 2 inches is 0.050 meter, and 3 inches is 0.075 meter, and in 4 inches, 0.10 meter. Sample. So, meron tayong 35 meters. I-convert natin into feet. Ano kaya magiging sagot dito? Okay, the correct answer is 166.66 or 167 feet. So, paano ba natin kinuha yung tamang sagot? So, 35 divided by 0.30, the answer is 166.66 or 167 feet. For number 2, 57 feet, convert into meters, the answer is 17.1 meters. Okay, 57 multiplied by 0.30, so the answer is 17.1. And number 3, 40 meters, convert to feet, the answer is 133.33 or 133 feet. Number 4, 69 feet, convert into meters, the answer is 20.7 meters. Dito naman tayo on how to convert from fractional to decimal. So, tandaan na in converting fraction to decimals, we have to divide the number by its denominator, whether it is proper or mixed fraction. So, divide the number by its denominator. Okay, sample. Okay, for proper fraction, 2 divided by 5. So, simply lang, 2 divided by 5, the result is 0.4. So, improper fraction, 11 divided by 3, the result is 3.66. So, for mixed fraction, 2 and 1 half, 2 and 1 half, so 2 plus, so divide lang natin yung 1 half or 1 divided by 2, the result is 0.5. So, kopyahin yung 2, 2 plus 0.5, that is 2.5. And that is for mixed fraction. So, another example. In English system, 7/16. Paano ba natin i-convert ang 7/16 into decimal? So, ito na ang magiging solution. Divide 7 divided by 16, that is 0.4375 or 0.44. For number 2, 5/8, so simply as we're going to divide the 5 into 8. So 5 divided by 8 is 0.625. And for number 3, 3 to 8. For number 3, in solution, 3 plus 2 over 8 or 2 divided by 8. So copy 3 plus then 2 divided by 8. The answer is 0.25. So if we're going to add this one, 3 plus 0.25, it will result to 3.25. So, dito naman tayo sa guide table in unit conversion. So, English to English, for 1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches. For metric to metric, or 1 meter is equivalent to 10 decimeters. For 1 decimeter is equivalent to 10 centimeters. For English to metric, so 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 in centimeter. For 1 inch also, equivalent to 25.4 millimeter. For 1 foot, equivalent to 30.48 centimeter. And we also have here metric to English. So 1 meter is equivalent to 3.28 feet. Another, so 1 meter, convert into inches, that is 39.37 inches. Sample solution in conversion. For foot to inches, 3 feet, convert into inches. Okay, solution is, we're going to multiply. So, multiply 3 by 12 inches. So, the answer is 36 inches. Next, inch to feet. So, 48 inches, convert into feet. So, divide 48 inches by 12 inches. So, the result is 4 feet. For centimeter to millimeter, or 22 centimeter, convert into millimeters. So, we're going to multiply 22 centimeter by 10 millimeter. So, the answer is 220 millimeter. So, to inch to centimeter, 6 inches, for example, convert into centimeter. So, we're going to multiply 6 inches by 2.54 centimeter. So, we come up with 15.24 centimeter. Sample. For number 1, 64 feet. So, 64 feet, convert into inches. So, 64, we're going to multiply 64 feet into 12. The answer is 768 inches. Number 2, inches to feet. So, 56 inches divided by 12. The answer is 4.66 or 5 feet. For number 3, 87 centimeter, convert into millimeter. 257 centimeter multiplied by 10. The answer is 870 millimeter. And for 12 inches, convert into centimeter. So for the solution, 12 inches multiplied by 2.54, the answer is 30.48 centimeter. And for number 5, so 32 feet multiplied by 12 inches, the answer is 324 inches. For number 6, 72 centimeter, convert into millimeter. To solve this, 72 centimeter multiplied by 10 millimeter, the correct answer is 720 millimeter. So this time, let's try. So for 35 meter, convert into feet. The correct answer is 116.67 feet. And for number 2, 57 feet, convert into meter. So the correct answer is 17.1 meter. For number 3, 3 divided by 5 or 3 over 5. The correct answer here is 0.6. And for number 4, 7 divided by 9. The answer is 0.77. And for number 5, 2/4. The answer is 2.5. And for 7 feet, convert into inches. The answer is 84 inches. And for 45 inches, convert into feet. The answer is 3.75 or 4 feet. So for number 8, 37 centimeter, convert into millimeter. The answer is 370 millimeter. For 67 or number 9, 67 inches, convert into centimeter. The answer is 170.18 centimeter. And for number 10, 89 feet, convert into inches. The answer is 1068 inches.